got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
What's up, y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas day 17. Today's vlog, I have no idea what I'm really getting into. It is 12:48 p.m. and I'm just now getting out of the house. This morning I made some pigs in a blanket, basically using little smokies and the crescent dough, and then I also made some potatoes, and I also started on the loaded potato soup. So right now I'm getting ready to go to one of my favorite spots, which is called Juice Laundry, to get me a good old smoothie bowl. And I'm about to pull up on it. It's like a tad bit chilly out here. Row House.
Two.
I only need one.
No, just get two because I want to try it.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Rock and roll. Alright, y'all, so I got the CB&J, which I really don't know what it means for CBJ, but it's just a pink one. This is just a pink smoothie bowl that comes with strawberries, granola, and bananas. I added some extra maple syrup on the top, and then I added extra granola on the bottom. But anyways, yeah, it's a great smoothie bowl. So today in the mail, I got the kids some Shrinky Dink stuff. So I ordered them some permanent markers, comes in different colors. I also got them the permanent markers in black, comes in a 12 pack because you do need to trace on the outside of whatever it is you're doing. So I ordered them the Shrinky Dink papers. Basically, it shows you here how to make it. You draw it, you cut around it, you punch the hole, and then you put it into the oven. So we'll be doing that soon. Come over here. So we came into Ulta. Let's see how they put one over here too. So I'm forever forgetting my lipstick, so I end up just trying to find one from here, and I did, and it was on sale, buy two get one free. So if you're ever looking for great products to wash your body with, definitely check out Tree Hut. This is one of my go-tos. So I already have some, I just need to figure out which one I need next. So I already have the Velvet Coffee, I already have the green one right there, I already have the Vanilla Bean, as well as the Moroccan Rose, which is the pink one. I do not have the pineapple one. I do have the cotton candy, and I do have the pina colada. Just not sure which one to get, so I wanted to open and smell each one. This one smells good, but it's not all packed. Okay, so I think I found the one that I'm gonna get. This one. some on my other eye.
I really like it. Very glittery, but
Okay, so we're in Marshall.
actually it does smell good, actually. Do you like it?
It's like a poinsettia. About to give me some seafood. Okay, so I am just getting back in the car, heading home from Red Crab. Red Crab is a seafood restaurant that we recently got. It's a seafood restaurant that we just recently got here in town. We normally do not have seafood restaurants. But anyways, I didn't get any footage of it just because of the simple fact that it was just kind of a lot of people in there, and I didn't want people to feel like I was just filming them. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what my food looks like once I get in the house. And then of course, I also ended up going into Marshall's, Dollar Tree, and I think that was really it, and Ulta. So I'll show you guys what I picked up this afternoon while spending time with my mom. Let me focus on this road and get home. So here's our food from Red Crab. This is a place that had a weekend special where you can get 1 lobster tail, half a pound of shrimp. You can also get the snow crabs in there. And then we also decided for Charles's, he wanted the 2 eggs as extra, and then he wanted the potatoes, and he wanted the sausage. For his corn, he never wants that in his boils, so they gave the extra corn in my boil. So in my boil, I decided to get the snow crabs, and then I also decided to get the potatoes, sausage, and corn. I do not like boiled eggs in my seafood boil, so that's what I got. We also paid for extra sauce. Extra sauce was about $4, and that's fine because I want to make sure I have enough sauce to cover what I really I'm gonna eat. Well, from Marshall's, all I had got was this planner. This is a Ray Dunn planner for the year of 2023. So I just decided to buy this. It was only $10, and it started back in August, but I will start using it come January until December. I also picked up some peppermint bark, and then Sky decided to pick up the Hello Kitty nails, which she just likes playing with. And from Dollar Tree, I just picked up a couple Christmas gift boxes, 2 wrapping papers, some tape of course, and then just whatever else I seen that I might have needed. Oh my God, y'all. Thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 18.